Alright, it's high noon in Ukraine on the 25th. I want to make this little video here, I guess practically to piss off the establishment, if that would be correct. This is a beta version of what I know to be a plagiarized business plan. In the face of that, it is a mapping tool, and I don't really have a right to say I own tools unless I paid for them or I built them. And I did that, but I don't reckon it matters. What matters, I draw your attention to what I'm going to show you here. You see this thing they say we live on, and I'm going to try to show you something about it you don't know. What we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to zoom in. And these are coordinates anybody can look at on their own. Okay? And then if you just plot them on this ball, you'll see a truth about this ball that we live on. It absolutely says it ain't no damn ball, but that would be just my perception of the world. I tell you what else I know. If you follow these coordinates, looking at the little orange crosses there, I picked orange because I can, because I'm Signal Corps. Well, I'm supposed to be, however, I'm listening to my brothers and sisters ignoring me, so I'm starting to understand who the hell I am. I ain't nobody to nothing, because I just happen to have learned the truth of the world I live in, and I'm being persecuted severely for it. I don't really care. I'm just me. I was born in America, victim of crime by a damn government, just trying to survive no more or less than anybody else. And if y'all think I'm in a bad mood, y'all don't know me. I'm kind of smiling at the world, because the world's going to let you know things it didn't never know before. And this will be one of them, in my opinion. If you look at the world that you live in, you'll see a truth. These fools don't tell the truth that run the world. You notice how that looks like a snake or a helix when you follow them lines around looking at their map? Well, there's a reason. Okay? Because they're trying to baffle you with bullshit. Otherwise, that's supposed to be a line, right? Well, is it a line? Yeah. So my point is, what if they just draw the damn lines different on the maps that you look in? How would you know? Well, I'm trying to show you how would you know. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more so you can see my path there. Based on numbers. I tell you what you don't know. You can't plug in 9999. It'll take you to somewhere in Russia every time you do it. Can't let that sink in. 99 degrees. Where is it? Bet you won't plug it in. At least not in this algorithm. What's my point? It's the way they've numbered this stuff that they're baffling people with bullshit. And this is the best example I can give you of it with your fake ass pseudoscience. And that'd be what I know. So what we're going to do is we're going to use just reality of what they've created here just to show you with their fake ball. Those are supposed to be equal distance. Well, I just want to ask you a question. If people long ago decided on numbering systems based on something logical, then I ask you a question. Wouldn't degree number 1 be a line of path as people learn to do things? Logically, you usually start with 1 when you do something. Logically, you move to 2. Logically, you move to 3, and so on and so forth. You see, the reality of it is you're seeing another grid, right? Which is the basis for what I'm trying to do with the spherical grid, based on the idea that the world is sound. The idea that somebody believes that they can spherically control the human by putting them in a box is be what they done. So what the hell is he talking about? Well, I'm just showing you. You think you know something about the world you live in, but you sit there and you look at that line. Now, that's a straight line. You do the math on your own. 77 by 77, okay? It draws a line, but you don't see no damn line there. What you see is you see a helix, okay? Which is what they're showing you, okay? So if you want to believe the world, you better believe it all, because you've been lied to. And you go try this on your own. Go in here and I'll even show you what I'm talking about. Okay? See, I don't like people to lie in the name of that flag that belongs to my family. And that be the truth. I just don't like it. And just to prove what I'm saying, there's the coordinates right there. Okay? So we can go and we can present them so y'all understand. I ain't really doing anything other than showing you what they have. They claim that's grid 000 on planet Earth. And then go around to the next one. Well, that would be 11, right? But, you know, so 0, 0, and then 11, right? By 11, right? And you keep going to the next one, it takes you to 22 by 22. Otherwise, these will be logical ways that people count, right? So if you look at what you're seeing there, they just rotated the grid. Pretty slick idea of making people think they're stupid. So, you know, why does that matter? Well, you tell me what you're looking at. Do you think you see in a straight line? That's because you can't draw a straight line in a damn circle. I mean, applying a grid, think about it. You applying a square grid to a circular map. Well, that's why you've been bamboozled, because you're just stupid. You don't know the difference between a square and a circle. That would be what they've done. So the way you solve it is what you're looking at there. See, we went from 44 to 55, right? Then we go from 55 to 66. It's drawing a line, ain't it? But it ain't drawing a line in such a way that you understand. That don't mean it ain't a line. It's the only legitimate line you can draw. All this other stuff is to baffle you with bullshit. If the coordinates rise on scale 77.77, are you seeing what it does? And then it comes around to be the helix that it is, that they call the snake. Somebody killed a snake. What do you think they're trying to kill? They're trying to kill the snake. Look at there. You know what happened to that one? See, they actually remove them. They don't want people to see it. So where'd 88 go? Huh? Where'd 88 go? Well, look at there. See, it's in there, but it went somewhere else, didn't it? They're always trying to dork with what people sees the world to be. Let's go to table of contents. Go to 0 one more time. See, there's 0 there, right? Let's open that up. See, that's 0, 0 northeast, right? And you got 0, 0 northeast, right? So let's go back again. Let's go over here and go to search. If you got -0, what if you got +0? What does it say? Let's see. So there ain't no difference, right? So that would be the center of the world, wouldn't it? I mean, if you started at 0, why isn't it? And of course, it don't matter what I say. People's gonna say something else. But I'm showing you logically what a line actually looks like on this ball that people don't think about. You see that? That shows you what's known as the arc of the great circle. You say, well, why? If that's a straight line, why does it look like an S? Or why does it look like the helix? Think about that. it'll tell you what they've done. So if you take that apart and you look at the map, in other words, if you flatten it out based on that, you'll see the truth of it. I'm going to be quiet now. I've done what I wanted to do here. Remembering, I don't have no damn rights. And people don't care what I say. But, you know, if you want to understand the world, you better believe it all. You've been lied to. And for the purposes of explaining this, I'm going to turn off these lines before I go, so y'all can see there ain't nobody doing nothing but telling you what their own program tells them. Now see, imagine that shape there being cut on around. Well, you can go on around if you do that, right? So why can't you? Well, what would it actually be? How come it won't go all the way around that way? In other words, if those are positive and negative numbers, they should connect, shouldn't they? As you move around this sphere. Well, why don't they? It's because they're lying to you, that's why. That's what it actually looks like. I defy you to tell me I'm wrong. Go do it yourself. Okay? So where'd 99 go? See that? They won't let it stay there. They can't. Because there lies there. Okay? And we can go back around to 99. In other words, why can't I put 99 here? Where's my plus 99? Watch this. If I type in 99, watch what it does. 99 and then comma 99. Where's it supposed to go? We're going to find out where it goes. Look where it goes. It goes to a place called Global Money. Did you see that? You saw it with your own damn ears and your own eyes. So how come it won't show you 99 and 99? Now you're learning the truth. Anyway, I guess I'm going to be quiet now. To my brothers and sisters up yonder in the north, I thank you for helping me. Broke my damn heart they steal my baby from me. And all the rest of you out there, y'all just need to understand the truth. Just need to understand the truth. We better than what we doing. I think we are anyway. Okay. I'm gonna be quiet now.